The T-14 Armata emerged as Russia's bold statement to the world. It was designed to be the world's most advanced tank. Russia claimed it was a super tank that would outmatch any rival. The unveiling of the Armata fueled international interest and speculation. Was this a glimpse into the future of armored warfare? Military analysts and experts scrutinized every detail, eager to understand the capabilities of this new weapon. Russia's claims were ambitious. They boasted of unmatched firepower, impenetrable armor, and advanced technology. The Armata was supposed to redefine the battlefield. The T-14's design was indeed revolutionary. Unlike previous Russian tanks, it featured an unmanned turret. This meant the crew of 3 was housed in a separate, heavily armored capsule at the front. The Armata's futuristic look only added to its mystique. It became a symbol of Russia's resurgent military might. The T-14 was more than just a tank, it was a propaganda tool. Russia used it to project an image of strength and technological superiority. The Kremlin heavily promoted the Armata. It was paraded in Red Square during Victory Day celebrations. State-controlled media published glowing reports praising its capabilities. The T-14 became synonymous with Russia's military ambitions. The message was clear: Russia was back, and it meant business. The world waited with anticipation to see the Armata in action, expecting it to dominate any battlefield. The T-14 Armata was designed with crew protection and survivability in mind. Its unmanned turret separated the main gun and ammunition from the crew. The crew sat in an armored capsule at the front for maximum protection. Advanced armor and spall liners helped defeat incoming threats. The Afghanit Active Protection System intercepted rockets and missiles. Advanced digital systems gave the crew high situational awareness. The T-14's features marked a leap forward in tank technology. The T-14 Armata's firepower centered around its main gun. Initially, the Armata was fitted with a 125mm smoothbore gun, known as the 2A-82-1M. This gun was a significant improvement over previous Russian tank guns. It could fire a variety of ammunition, including armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot rounds, high-explosive anti-tank rounds, and guided missiles. The 125mm gun gave the T-14 considerable firepower against a wide range of targets. However, Russia had even more ambitious plans for the Armata's firepower. They were developing a new 152mm gun, the 2A-83-1A, specifically for the T-14. This larger gun was intended to give the Armata unmatched firepower on the battlefield. The 152mm gun could fire a wider range of ammunition, including longer-range guided missiles and potentially even thermobaric rounds. The development of the 152mm gun highlighted Russia's desire to give the T-14 overwhelming firepower. The 152mm gun, however, faced delays and technical challenges. It was significantly larger and heavier than the 125mm gun. Integrating it into the T-14's turret required significant modifications. The development of new ammunition for the 152mm gun also took time and resources. These challenges highlighted the complexities of developing and integrating such a powerful weapon system. Despite the hype around the T-14 Armata, it has been conspicuously absent from the conflict in Ukraine. This has fueled speculation about its true capabilities and Russia's reluctance to risk such a high-profile asset. The capture or destruction of a T-14 would be a major propaganda win for Ukraine and a loss for Russian secrecy. Russia may also want to protect the tank's advanced technology from Western intelligence. Finally, the Armata's high cost and unproven combat record make its absence understandable. The T-14 Armata, despite its advanced design and capabilities, has faced significant production challenges. These challenges have hindered Russia's ability to field the tank in significant numbers. Delays and setbacks have plagued the Armata program from the outset. One of the main obstacles has been the complexity of the tank's design. The T-14 incorporates a wide range of sophisticated technologies, many of which are new and untested. Integrating these technologies into a functional and reliable weapon system has proven to be a major challenge. The tank's reliance on advanced electronics and components has also created difficulties. Russia's defense industry has struggled to produce these components in sufficient quantities and to the required quality standards. This has led to delays and shortages, further hampering production efforts. The situation has been exacerbated by international sanctions imposed on Russia. These sanctions have restricted Russia's access to key technologies and components needed for the Armata's production. The sanctions have forced Russia to rely more on domestic sources for these critical components. However, Russia's domestic industry has struggled to fill the gap. This has led to further delays and has raised concerns about the quality of some components used in the T-14's production. The T-14 Armata's troubled development and limited production have had a significant impact on Russia's military capabilities. Despite being hailed as a game-changer, the Armata has yet to make a tangible difference on the battlefield. Its absence in the Ukraine conflict has raised questions about its true significance. The Armata's limited availability has forced Russia to continue relying on older, less advanced tanks. This has strained Russia's armored forces and limited their effectiveness. The lack of a modern, capable main battle tank has put Russia at a disadvantage in the ongoing conflict, and has highlighted the challenges facing its defense industry. The Armata's struggles have also impacted Russia's arms export market. Russia had hoped to export the T-14 to foreign buyers, generating revenue and bolstering its image as a leading arms supplier. However, the tank's production problems, coupled with its high cost and unproven track record, have made it a less attractive option for potential customers. The Armata's failure to live up to its billing has tarnished Russia's reputation as a major arms exporter. It has raised doubts about the capabilities of Russian military hardware and has made it more difficult for Russia to compete in the global arms market. The T-14 Armata stands as a testament to both Russia's ambition and its struggles. While the tank's advanced features and capabilities initially generated excitement and apprehension, its failure to materialize as a significant force has cast a shadow over its future. The Armata's story is one of unfulfilled potential and the challenges of translating technological ambition into battlefield reality. The hype surrounding the T-14 has not been matched by its real-world impact. It remains a largely symbolic weapon, more significant for its propaganda value than its actual military contributions. The Armata's struggles highlight the complexities of modern weapons development and the challenges faced by Russia's defense industry. The future of the T-14 Armata remains uncertain. Whether Russia can overcome the production challenges and field the tank in sufficient numbers to make a difference is debatable. The Armata's fate will depend on a complex interplay of technological advancements, economic realities, and geopolitical considerations. The T-14 Armata serves as a cautionary tale about the gap between ambition and reality. It underscores the importance of not overestimating the capabilities of new weapon systems based solely on hype and speculation. The Armata's legacy may ultimately be one of a missed opportunity, a reminder that technological superiority does not always translate into battlefield dominance.